I didn't expect to be in the woods like this, but pretty cool. Yeah, this boy's not sure if we're pants. Hey folks, Bill here, Geocaching 117. How are you doing? Not sure when this will be published, but I'm out on the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July to all my USA fans. And this little guy's with me again. Ooh. Put your hand there, MiniDan. Anyway, we're here to check out this pretty awesome large cache I've been eyeing up for a while. So let's go check it out. Promises to be pretty interesting. Looks like I'm in somebody else's backyard. Good job, MiniDan. Sorry for the upshot, but no place around here to even put my cat grip. So anyway, nice size container. Check it out. Well, we had a lot of rain last night, but it's dry. Cool. The log, a couple pens, stamp, another pen. Crazy. A little dirty books, but dry. Well, let's see what I got. Give you an idea of how big these are. So, dinosaur. Got this awesome little bag here. Complete set. Well, almost complete set. Because Louie's not in there. That one's right in here. How about this very patriotic red, white, and blue bracelet in honor of Independence Day? I got the log signed. Alright, I got it packed up, swagged up. I'll put it back. Well folks, here I'm at the next one. Gee, I haven't seen one of these in a long time. Have you? I don't know, wonder if it even works. No doubt. No. Go figure. Let me see, Dan. Do you see it? You think you see it? I think I see something in that place. Let's look in there. Nope. I didn't think so either. I think it's on this side. Do you see it? Something that doesn't quite belong to a phone. Well, that wasn't it either. But you know what? MiniDan found it. He got it. It's just the right size for him. What do you think? Let's see if we can get it out of there and sign it. Okay, another ejection stick. Sorry. gonna put it back, but I'm not gonna show you where. So this one will be my last cache of the day. This is in the little area called, you saw the name of the church. This is in the little village, or borough, actually. Population's less than 200. As of 2010, I think it was. Georgetown, Pennsylvania, nonetheless. It was like a little stopping point. It was kind of like, actually, what I read in Wikipedia said it was the last stopping point heading west from here along the Ohio River to what was the Northwest Territory around the time the late 1700s, 1780, 1790, something like that. Because there were still hostilities there. And yeah, but this is quite interesting. It's pretty quiet back here overall. Let's check it out a little bit. Well, I think I know where the cache is. Let's go get it, MiniDan. Good job, MiniDan. Another micro. Alright. That's cool. Most of the time, it's all about the location, right? That's right. Speaking of location, I will tell you it's not on any of the tombstones, but I'm also going to show you ground zero on this one. We're going to sign. We're going to put it back. Alright. That's definitely going to do it for today, because I got to get home and I'm cooking dinner. But I got to get the grill started sooner than later. We're having ribs. So, take care, everyone. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And see you soon. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.